I just a quick update on gold. You had gold yesterday. Make I had said that you were possibly gonna get. Sorry, this chart looks weird. Some kind of second move down, and in gold, second wave down, and that happened. But I said it was muted, and so that's very bullish. Now you had this wick to another low down here, but that was actually created by news. It was basically U.S. retail sales, and right after that happened, you saw a massive buy, which is very bullish. And you had a breakout that occurred yesterday out of this flag. Just a very easy, very obvious test. The only problem is with this, you need to actually probably stop below this trend line, just because this hasn't pulled back at all, and so it was very sort of an aggressive, even though it was technically valid, it was sort of an aggressive entry, and then you had some follow through. So this is not over. This move is just starting, very likely, because you have, this is basically, this here, this here is like, this drop is going to be very similar to this before the next leg up. So this looks like it's starting a new leg, or at least it's in the process of doing so. And if it is, it's going to be of you know of some length, certainly more than this, certainly a break to higher to greater highs. And so so you are getting so any continuation at this point situation is a good bet. So you can certainly right now in gold look for a long right around here in the mid 1238s or low 1238s with a stop just below the low. So a stop at if you put a stop at 1235.85 or 1235.80, that's sufficient. And similar in gold, in silver, it's harder to actually measure the silver moves for me in terms of appropriate length, but I would basically, if I buy silver, I'll buy silver and base my entries and stops based on gold. Okay, usually that's what I'll do. And so you have a possible flag, this flag breakout with a higher high, and that's going to bring in some buyers. So we'll see if this is follow through. And if it does, I'm going to be looking for a move at least into into the mid 1240s. So certainly at least like maybe the low 1240, like 1244, high 1244s, the prior high, if not higher. So we will see if that plays out. So again, so this is just another leg up, and we'll see how much room it has. Okay, but certainly if I don't take profit out at 1240, the high 1244s or 1245, I will look to on a lower low. So, all right, that's it.